your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Nick Morganelli.
All right, some rain and wind on the way, so we're going to start there with our weather headlines and show you what's ahead for those two things. Ready, the rain gear. It's a soaker overnight with over an inch of rain. We'll show you that. There's a gusty wind that will develop 20 to 35 miles per hour, peaking pre-dawn, and then sunny and seasonal cold weekend. Here's the rainfall forecast, and check it out. This is by 6 o'clock tonight. Not too much, not even a tenth of an inch of rain. As we go to 11 o'clock, we've got about a quarter to a third of an inch of rain already. And then as we go to early in the morning, 5 to 6, 7 o'clock, that's when we'll get most of our rain. But by 10 o'clock, it's all done. And we've got an inch to an inch and a half. Wakefield, maybe 2 inches in a spot that gets the heavy downpour during tomorrow morning, because there will be a round of downpours moving through, and not everyone will get those, but you get the idea. It's an inch to an inch and a half widespread across southeastern Massachusetts and Rhode Island. 6 o'clock tonight, the wind starts to freshen out of the southeast. There's not much wind out there right now, but it starts to ramp up to 20 to 30 miles per hour this evening, and then overnight it peaks between 30 and 40 miles per hour. Look at New Bedford, 40 mile per hour gusts at 5 o'clock in the morning. It's not enough to create some tree damage or power outages, but certainly something to watch. That starts to move out later in the morning as well. And the wind will still be busy during the day tomorrow, but it tends to lessen in speed. And you can see the southeast wind becomes southwest, and then it shifts around to the northwest later on tomorrow night as we begin to dry out. There's some snowfall across northern New England. That's good news for the skiers. We had a rain snow line through Rhode Island here with a little bit of snowfall, nothing really accumulating, but it just moistened the ground a little bit, and that's ready to end, and we'll have a little bit of a break this afternoon before this next batch of moisture comes in. And look at ahead of that, tornado watch down there across Tennessee and parts of the South. There's a lot of energy with this system, and that's moving our way. You see behind it, there's not much happening, and that's our weekend weather. As you look west of the Mississippi River, it's pretty clear. But look offshore, off of California again, another huge cyclone in the upper levels of the atmosphere. They're going to continue to get slammed with storms out there, and those storms are the ones that cross the Rockies and form, like this one, and move our way and bring us the rain. So here we go. This is tonight. A warm front slides to the north. Even the North Country changes from snow to rain. We're very windy ahead of the system with the heavy rainfall. And then that cold front, the blue line with the barbs on it, the little arrows on it, that slides through Friday afternoon, and that will give us the drier weather tomorrow night and set us up for a sunny weekend as high pressure builds in from the west. So tonight, 54, heavy rain, 54. The temperature goes up all night tonight, so that by tomorrow morning we're about 54, 55 degrees with a strong southeasterly wind. Then we drop back to about 45 by the end of the day Friday, so we'll call it 50 for tomorrow. Early rain and then evening clearing. 7-day forecast shows the sunny weekend. It's chilly, it's frosty by Sunday morning, 38 for the high on Sunday. Martin Luther King Day holiday, pleasant and 40 degrees. And then we get to the mid to upper 40s Tuesday and Wednesday.